front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now, to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. To use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard like that. If you want to paste it later on, select Clipboard and click on your text here. If you won't pin it though, it will disappear after an hour. So if you want to paste it later on, hold it and use pin icon. You can always unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on Delete button in the pop-up. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!